This 24-inch CDV induction cooktop offers 4 cooking zones and a combined 6,000-watt output, giving a compact kitchen real multi-pot capacity without feeling cramped. Because it heats the pan directly rather than the air around it, this induction surface cooks noticeably faster than a typical gas or electric coil while using energy more efficiently. The touch-sensitive controls are laid out clearly and respond quickly, so changing power levels or setting a timer feels natural even when you're juggling several dishes. 9 distinct power settings on each burner make it easy to move from a gentle melt to a vigorous sear with fine control instead of the guesswork of older-style stoves. Built-in protections such as automatic shutoff, overheat monitoring, and a child lock add reassuring safety for busy households and small kitchens alike. The smooth ceramic glass top resists baked-on mess and usually wipes clean with a damp cloth, which makes everyday maintenance far easier than scrubbing traditional grates and burners.